Alright, so we're going to learn how to change the printing paper inside the printer. It's the whole media. There's two things that you'll need. The first thing is the actual ribbon. The ribbon will look like this, so just notice that one side is heavier than the other. What I mean by that, there's more on one side than the other, and it's obviously this one here, it's the thicker one. And the reason is because this has all the ink or the media, the ribbon, it's all in here. So this is very empty. Now that's the way it should look. You also need to have the printing paper. And that's what the printing paper will look like. Make sure that it is obviously the right one. We do have two printers. This is the high-tie printer. We need to have high-tie media. Okay, so let's say that it runs out of printing paper. We need to have it changed. What you'll notice is there's a button on the top left. It's just a circle. We'll push that pretty hard in, and then we can pull down that compartment. Okay, once we're here, we need to take this out. Now, be very careful with how you take it out because you don't want to ruin anything. If this is full at the bottom, that means there's still lots of ribbon left. If this is full at the top, that means we're empty. So at the moment, you can see this is still looking really good. That should give us about 2 events. We should be able to print out about 400 to 500 photos with a whole set of ribbon or media. So this still has probably about 350 photos left. But to take it off, we'll start with this side. So we sort of put a little bit of pressure on it, pull it out, hold this, and take out the other one at the same time. Okay, great. So we've taken that out. Sometimes rolls around a bit. Now the next thing is the actual paper. When it's run out, then what we do is we slide it up. Okay, I'm going to pull it out and put it aside. Now the new paper that you've got here, okay, the new paper that you've got here, we need to put in the rollers on the side. So there's a green one and there's a black one. Now the most important thing for you to remember, the most important when you're putting the media in, is that the black one and the green one specifically go on a particular side. And you'll notice that there's grooves on the disc here. There's 2 here. And in this one, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the black one has 2, the green one has 4. When you look at the paper on the sides, one will have 2, one will have 4. So for example,